Understanding Country Road Detours. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in English: country road detours. Whether you're navigating the countryside or exploring the twists and turns of language learning, this phrase has a lot to offer. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the rich imagery it evokes in English. Country road detours combines three words that each carry their own significance. A country road often refers to a smaller, less traveled road in a rural area, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. These roads can be scenic, winding, and offer a closer look at nature and tranquility. Detours, on the other hand, are routes that take you off your planned path, usually due to an obstruction or a better route recommendation. It can be a temporary or alternative route to get to your destination. Putting it together, country road detours evoke the idea of taking an unplanned or alternative route through rural areas, which can lead to unexpected discoveries and experiences. It's not just about the destination, but the journey and what you see along the way. In addition to its literal meaning, country road detours can carry symbolic weight. It can represent life's unexpected turns, the beauty of taking the road less traveled, or the importance of slowing down to appreciate the world around us. In conversation or writing, someone might use this phrase to suggest exploring new opportunities, stepping out of one's comfort zone, or appreciating the small, unexpected joys in life. It can also reflect on a personal journey, suggesting a deviation from one's planned path or routine, leading to personal growth and discovery. The phrase can also be found in literature and media, where it might be used to set a scene, convey a character's mindset, or symbolize a journey. It's a versatile phrase that can add depth and imagery to storytelling, painting a picture of exploration, discovery, and the beauty of the unexpected. We hope this exploration of country road detours has been enlightening. This phrase is more than just a direction on a map. It's a metaphor for life's unexpected journeys and the beauty found off the beaten path. Whether you encounter this phrase in conversation, reading, or while planning your next adventure, remember the richness it brings to the English language. Thank you for joining us, and may your learning journey be filled with delightful detours.